Suppose you are interested to know whether there is any improvement in sales after making changes in placement and display of products in a retail store. In other context, you are asked to statistically demonstrate that the training program which was organized recently has enhanced employee productivity or not. When you have to compare two samples that come from same population, you need to run two sample paid t-tests. The paid t-test is commonly used to compare a sample group scores before and after an intervention. These tests are often performed when only small samples, that is, number of observations is less than 30 are available. During 2009, Norway government introduced automatic section speed control, that is ASSE system, to curtail excess speed. The data of driving speeds at 8 tunnels are given in ASSE Excel workbook. You need to find out, in general, is there any reduction in driving speed after introducing ASSE system. First, frame null and alternative hypothesis. Your null hypothesis is there is no difference in driving speeds before and after introducing ASSE system. And alternative hypothesis is there is a difference in driving speeds before and after introducing ASSE system. To test the hypothesis, draw a column chart and compare the samples. To draw a chart, select the data, click Insert tab. From charts, choose column. Observe the data. There is a decrease in driving speeds. However, it is not uniform in all tunnels. To statistically prove the hypothesis, run t-test. To run a t-test, click Data tab and click Data Analysis command. From Analysis Tools, choose t-test. That is t-test paid 2 samples for means. Click OK. In Open the dialog box, select Variables range. Select Labels and set alpha at 0.05, which means you are testing at 95% confidence interval. Select New Worksheet for t-test result. Click OK. T-test result is presented in New Worksheet. Format the numeric values with 2 decimal places. Now, observe the mean and variance values. They are different for 2 samples. Before introducing ASSE, the average speed was 79.95. Afterwards, it is 73.83 and variance changed from 4.97 to 4.60. The correlation is 0.44 and the t-test value is 7.44. Compare the p-value with the level of significance. If p-value is less than significance or alpha, then the null hypothesis is rejected and the alternative hypothesis is accepted. For this data, the p-value is less than 0.05. So, you reject the null hypothesis and can say that there is a significant difference in driving speeds before and after introducing ASSE system. The results suggest that 0.00% of the time you would be making a mistake in concluding that there was a real change in driving speed. The paid t-test is commonly used to test statistical differences between 2 time points, statistical differences between 2 conditions, and statistical differences between 2 measurements. To compare unpaid or independent means, choose independent sample t-test.